Lumens, we make your job easier. Lumens LC200 Capture Vision system goes to the next level and now has several new features. Today, the LC200 is seamlessly compatible with Panopto's platform. The system is able to provide scheduling, live streaming, and backup recorded videos. The updated software supports the user-friendly GUI director on a web page, which allows the ability to control and manage video content remotely. The LC200 has a new software feature for supporting touchscreen use for HDMI plug-and-play GUI control in order to operate the LC200 effectively. If your organization is using NAS, the LC200 allows you to upload videos to NAS after recording automatically. Control the LC200 with a third-party wireless numeric keypad for a time-saving solution. The LC200 supports on-screen system displays, such as date and time to meet any requirements. The LC200 now has an optional 2 TB hard disk drive, and video sources can be renamed, making live production efficient. Maximize slot overlays and scenes up to 30 sets to increase the audience's engagement. The LC200 supports audio input from the IP video source and records video with individual audio sources. For more information about the LC200, please check out videos on our YouTube channel.